Okay, here I am trying to hook up a Pro-Jection unit that I bought off Craigslist for about $100. Had to make my own gaskets for it, and I got to make a block-off plate for the EGR. Right now I'm just kind of going through and seeing any vacuum lines I can delete. And then it's only got one vacuum port big enough for a brake booster, or for the vacuum brake, so I'll probably just get a T-fitting for the PCV and just splice it in somewhere. Throttle cable bracket, it's kind of close, well, not close, but it doesn't have a lot of travel in it, so I may just take this back off and then just weld it back further, so that'll give a little bit more travel and hopefully a little bit better of a pedal feel. I got the fuel pump mounted already, and pretty much what I gotta do now is really just vacuum lines, fuel lines, and then it's only a 4-wire hookup. Ignition, tach, keyed on power. I mean, one power wire goes to the distributor, and then the tach wire, and then the other one is just a switched key, and the other one's a ground. So, and then plus the fuel pump, but it's already got its own wiring incorporated. Here's kind of my mess. Here's an old carburetor right here. Here's the ignition. Some of this is already wired. One's fast idle solenoid, coolant temp. This one says ignition, but then ignition. Oh, here they are over here. This one goes to the distributor because it wants you to have a link in it. This one's tach, and you can kind of see how it was already hooked up. It's got an eyelet on it. And then wherever the grounds are at, they're around here somewhere. Yep, here it is. It's a conjunction of wires. So, it should be easy.